All right, we're back. My name is Jesse, and today we're not doing a solar video. Today we're going to be replacing some light sockets. These are for a 2004 Sierra. So I just bought this truck, and apparently it's a pretty common problem on these headlights here. The socket that goes here, in this, I'll take it out and I'll show it, but apparently the socket goes bad. It kind of burns out. And so what we're going to do today is replace the socket. The factory one apparently gets burned out, and so we're going to replace it. We're going to put some of these LEDs in there, see how they look. Hopefully that fits. Now that I look at it, it looks kind of big, but I think it'll fit. And then the side markers here also are burned out and bad. There it is. I took it out already, but it went right here. And you can see it's all black and burned out. We're going to replace it with these LEDs. These ones I picked up off O'Reilly's. I think they were like 18 bucks. These sockets here, I got them on Amazon. And these LED lights are also from Amazon. So I'll leave links if you guys want to check them out. So I kind of started this already, but these are 2 pins. They're essentially what hold the housing of the headlight in place. You just pull them out, and the housing headlight comes out. A little bit of a tight fit, but it comes out just like that. So I'm thinking I'll just disconnect it so it's out of the way. It's just like a plug-in type connector that you pull back on this tab, and it comes out. There's another one over here. Might be easier just to take the light out. Yep. These are also off Amazon. All right, so when we look inside this headlight assembly here, if we can get a good look, right here is where the original socket was. I think it burned out, and the previous owner just kind of wrapped them in electrical tape and shoved the wire in there. But the socket actually is going to go in here, and then we can actually install our. See if I can get a better angle here. This one is our side marker, which is these lights, so we can put this on right now. Alright, so apparently these have a certain way they go in, and if for some reason they don't work, then you're supposed to flip them around. Great. Just dropped it. Alright, let's see if that works. Works. All right. So it looks like we got a blue wire and a black wire. My socket has a pink wire and a blue wire, so I think we're just gonna stick with blue to blue, and we will put the black on the pink. bit of a tight fit here, but should be able to get it. All right. I'm not really a big fan of these kind of butt connectors, but it's all I got right now, so it's gonna make it work. All right, let's see if this works. All right, so at this point, the new LED is in the socket. I turn the car on, and apparently with this type of truck, in order to activate the daytime running lamps, you need to have the vehicle in a gear, and you can't have the parking brake on. If you have it in park or you have the parking brake on, it won't activate the daytime running lights. So the truck was in gear, parking brake was off, and still the LED wouldn't work. I don't know why. I flipped it up, or I took it out, flipped it around, nothing was working, checked the crimps, and still it wouldn't turn on. I ended up going to O'Reilly's and getting just a regular incandescent light bulb. It's the 4114, I think, and I plugged that in, and of course it worked. I don't know if it's something with the light bulb, a ground in the light bulb, I don't know what it is, but it worked. So all I did was remove that incandescent that I bought at O'Reilly's, plug the LED back in, and of course it worked. I don't know why, but that's what happened. All right, so these Amazon LED bulbs, I think these are 3157 type bulbs, but this was the problem. I thought it was the butt connectors that I was making. Maybe I wasn't making a good crimp, but they work fine. I ended up going with 4114 bulbs, and of course it works perfect. So it's just those Amazon LED bulbs just are no good. No way. No way, it works. I don't know, but I'll take it. Not sure why it didn't work earlier. I don't know why that doesn't work. Just not meant to be, man. That's weird. It was working earlier. I just turned the bulb around. All right, we'll wrap this one up. I think I mentioned it earlier. I just bought this Sierra, and I've done quite a bit of repairs to it. A lot of it's just maintenance, but I've done a lot of interior work. On these trucks, the headliner always starts to sag and fall apart. A bunch of interior lights didn't work. The upholstery on the driver's seat was all kind of ripped up. And then check engine light, just general maintenance I've done, the headlights. If you guys are interested in kind of learning more about these Sierra Silverados, let me know. I'll try to do a rundown on this truck, why I bought it, and the repairs I've done to it so far. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, now I think maybe it works.